preacher. Come on in here, sit down. Hey, how your mama them? Hey, Auntie. Whew. I'm running on fumes today, okay? And I'm tired. Woo. But hey, girl, hey. I got something special for y'all today. Ooh, I got something sweet. I looked at the pictures and I said, this gonna be a bop. A real good ignorant one, like I like. The more ignorant, the better. Good ignorant now. Good ignorant. Ooh, come on, bring it back. Cause I know somebody out there like, ignorant.
First of all, I said ignorant.
I gotta talk to y'all. Baby, this is a pre-everything wig, okay? I don't know if you guys have heard that phrase floating around in the YouTube of the streets. Cut, bleach, plucked, all of the things, right? And they call it a pre-everything wig. And I have Coily. And this is from Wow African. So I'm gonna take a look at it because I probably wore a pre-everything wig before and it just wasn't called pre-everything. I don't know. But this is the Coily Texture HD Lace 9x6. Ooh, pre-everything wear and go.
That's how they coming in. Let me see.
20 inches, glueless wig, 250% density. Pre-everything, pre-cut lace, pre-plucked hairline, and bleached knots. See, that's what I thought it was. Now, this is Coily. Y'all already know I like to pop my curls, and this is a human hair wig, so I'm gonna use my pattern mousse like I do for my human hair wigs. Real HD lace, upgraded. All knots are tiny and clean bleached. Now, this is what's gonna determine, because I love those tiny knots because they make the wig look so seamless, but it can be over bleached, because with the tiny knots, it's literally one strand of hair. So, if you over process it, you can look like a bald head scallywag, and we're not. I don't think we're going for that look. Okay, no shedding, no tangling, long lifespan. The wig on this mannequin, beautiful, but baby, as we all know, that does not mean it's gonna look good on you or me. Honey, you want these nails so bad. Get the fact. There you go. Now that's nice. I like this. I like when you put these wigs on me, or whatever they say in that song. Yeah, I like that, honey. Oh, wait a minute. I got thick, ignorant edges, too. Oh, you can choose if you want regular edges or curly edges. Okay. They're giving you choices about him. You see that? Let me show you. Ooh, honey, it's thick. Whatever's up in this box is thick. Dang. Dang. Now that's nice that they put the little edge brush in there, but honey, that's a little rough now. That brush right there might snatch out all your edges and hopes and dreams. But listen, y'all gonna get blessed for that. They didn't have to put that in there. Y'all remember that time that one popped me in the face? I ain't been right since.
We can.
They done gave young Karen the boot, honey. Y'all, look at this cap. You see the combs right there, right? Let me show you the combs. Those combs are removable, first of all. Come on now. Do y'all see that elastic grip? Do y'all see that right there? That is in the wig. That's not an attachment, baby. That's part of the cap. That's part of their glueless cap, honey. This, and you see the little silicone wiggles right there? Those wiggles will ensure that it will hold on to the back of your neck like a good relationship. I like that. I see what you're doing right there. Look at that. You see that little curve right here? I like this cap. Y'all, I like this cap. Y'all want my face so bad. There we go. You see that drawstring? Honey, that cap is gonna hold tight.
If you want to make this wig stay, hold tight.
You gotta pull that little drawstring. This wig is thick. You see that drawstring? Okay. You don't have to get 250% density. Y'all know I just like thick, ignorant hair. You can get 180 if you so choose.
It's all about you, and what you wanna do.
Hey, it's all about you and what you want to do, okay? I'm ready to put this on y'all. Y'all, stick around for the finished product. This is giving holiday. Getting cooler outside? Yes. Hit the subscribe button so you can join the family, join the fun. Hold a minute.
for me, I'ma make you wait for it. Spend a few racks on a shopping spree. Yeah, I'ma make you pay for it. Tell him give it to me when I want it, please. Wait tight on our leg for it. Countdown for me. 12, 11, 10, 9. Eat that, I'ma make you wait for it. On my time. Yeah, I'ma make you pay for it. On my time. My time, my time, my time, my time. Order in the court. Me first, you short. On my time, been off yours, boss. To the floor. It's my time. You was for you, I was for us. You do the math, don't add up. Even on my worst day, down on my luck. I got the sauce, I'ma always come up. I tried it your way, that was a dub. I'm taking the wheel now, cause I trust me. I'ma go get these millions. I'm still hoping and wishing. You always had me waiting, and I'm about fresh out of patience. This time we switching positions. Now you under my submission, like woo. My rules, big moves. Y'all heavy on the tweeting. I'll disappear a whole season, like woo. Who said they looking for me? I'ma make you wait for it. Spend a few racks on a shopping spree. Yeah, I'ma make you pay for it. Tell him give it to me when I want it, please. Wait tight on our leg for it. Countdown for me. 5, 4,